Getting spoiled. This is like 2 days, 3 days in a row. It's like 60. End of February. Catching the last couple trains of the month. CA-11, northbound. Outpost 7, Wood Tower. Here to start to notch up. Anybody counting? It's like a good sized train. A couple greenies coming up. Optimizer. Optimizer. Know what that means. Car under nitrogen pressure. Looks like it was patched. Ah, a lot of greenies. I don't think I've seen this many. Quite a few of them today. It's a big train. Yeah, for sure, it's a big train. To the end. Die. A bulkhead. I like that color too. That's a nice color. I'd like to try to find one like that. That is it. Over and out.